बुरा जो देखन मैं चला, बुरा ना मिलया कोई, जो दिल खोजा अपना, मुझसे बुरा ना कोई. The literary world of Mughal India. In India, one of the most powerful literary movements was the Bhakti tradition. We have established the coming of the Portuguese, we have established how Mughal Empire was rising. What was happening in the literary world? Let's look at that. Now, poets like Tulsidas, जिन्होंने रामचरितमानस लिखा, he brought sacred stories into the language of common people. But what made this tradition truly powerful is that many of these works are still alive today and we very much know them. Mirabai, who was writing devotional songs, poetry for Krishna. आप सबने उनके गाने सुने होंगे. I don't know if you know that they were written by Mirabai. ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन, या फिर पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, and so many more like मेरे तो गिरधार गोपाल, हरि तुम हरो, so many more that you know that the bhajans that we sing today are written by Mirabai. Her poetry is deeply personal, almost like a direct conversation with Krishna. Another major voice is Kabir. Kabir's poetry is very different, it's very direct, it's very critical and very much philosophical. Bura jo dekhan main chala, that we began with. So instead of ritual, Kabir focuses on self-reflection and inner truth. The other tradition that was happening in India is the Sufi and the Kotli tradition. Rahim, Abdul Rahim Khan. He was a Mughal noble, yet he wrote in Hindi. बहुत फेमस दोहे हैं कभी रहीम के भी, जैसे कि रहीमन धागा प्रेम का मत तोड़ो चटकाए, टूटे तो फिर ना जुड़े जुड़े गांठ पड़ जाए. So this shows a beautiful blend of court culture, bhakti like simplicity and universal human values. Court literature. At the Mughal court, literature takes a very different form. Writers like Abul Fazl, जो लिख रहे थे अकबरनामा और N.E. Akbari. This is literature of power, empire and control. What was happening at this point of time in England? The golden age of drama. Shakespeare, Marlowe, University wits were writing. तो जहाँ वहाँ पे ड्रामा का पूरा ट्रेडिशन चल रहा था, हमारे यहाँ पोइट्री, beautiful lyrical poetry, religious poetry, devotional poetry, self-reflective poetry चल रही थी. Right? So in India, literature was often a shared spiritual experience. In England, it was becoming an exploration of the individual mind. So while Shakespeare was staging human drama on theatre stage, Indian poets like Mirabai, Kabir and Rahim were creating poetry that people didn't just read, they sang, they remembered and they lived.